for you every single day, mom. Ooh,
The business.
yeah.
Success been the business, whole world love me, but I still feel depressed, view the whole world ugly. Chip on my shoulder like it's all y'all fault. That wouldn't change with the change up in all y'all vault. I never gave a fuck about what all y'all thought. Just stayed to myself, prayed for my health, prayed for some wealth and kept pressing along. I guess an angel heard my plea and passed the message along. Felt like everything was great, the blessing was strong, but just as quick I was sick. She's arrested and gone. Got sentenced to a dub in a federal pen. At age 50, might not see the streets ever again. I know the youth in desperation need me to lead them, but I get this deal back in exchange for your freedom. So why the rest of you rappers just hoping to sell? I'm just hoping for a letter when I open the mail.
I'ma pray that you make it to the streets again. I'ma pray that you hold me in your arms again. I'ma pray that you make it to the streets again. You gon' be okay, I'm gon' be okay. I'm a baby boy mama. Yeah.
It seems surreal, like it never even happened. Sometimes a nigga wish he was never even rapping, cause I would've been with you trying to make that cake. And if the law would've got us there to take that case, 10 birds, 6 gallons, had still in your heart. Gone but not forgotten, mom, you still in my heart. I ain't came down yet, but I'm willing to start. I'm scared to visit, cause I might tear that building apart. Seeing you behind glass, all shackled and chained, might make it hard for me to tackle this game. Might make it hard to keep writing these rhymes, to keep picking these beats, to keep